Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, the reason why I'm looking extra glowy is because I just completed my nighttime skincare routine. This was requested by a friend of mine, and actually several other people in the past have requested this from me. Guys, honestly, my skincare routine is more than basic. Like, it's so basic, but since you guys wanted it, here it is. But first, just go ahead and subscribe down below. And while you're at it, just go ahead and give the video a like. It helps me out so freaking much. You have no idea. So let's go ahead and just jump on into my nighttime skincare routine. Yes. All right, guys. First things first. Let's just take off this braid and pick up our messy hair in a bun and just get all of our hair out of our face. It's been a long day. And then what we're gonna do is going to obviously remove off our makeup first. So I'm gonna be removing off my makeup with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I first like to just apply some water, a little bit of water to my face, and then I will go in with the balm. I'm gonna take about this much, and I'm just gonna be applying this to my face and just start lathering that just so it can really get in there and remove off all the makeup. And then I start with my eyes next, and then I'll just start rubbing that all over. Excuse me, it's been that kind of day. And then I just start removing that off, and I just start applying water. You know, the usual cleansing steps. You all know the cleansing steps. I mean, we're like almost done here, like honestly. We're going to go ahead and start just patting dry a little bit. Just gonna start patting my face a bit because I don't want water everywhere. And then I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the waterproof one. Y'all know that. And I'm going to use this just on my eyes. This honestly removes off makeup so nicely. You guys see how quickly that just removed all of the residue that was left. We are almost done. Literally done. And then I'm just gonna start patting everything dry very gently, no rubbing. Just gotta be, you know, gentle with your skin. And now that our skin is nice, smooth, and cleansed, we're ready for the next step. So I first start with a toner called the Laniege like lotion toner. This toner is very different because it has a lotiony texture to it. And I'm just gonna apply this all over the face. This is the enemy of your pimples and blemishes. So right now they're hating life. Whenever you add a toner, it just refreshes your face and it basically just starts your routine in the best way possible. So then I'm gonna go in second with this Hungarian essence from Belif, and I really love this. Oh my gosh, it's a small bottle, but I'm gonna buy the big one because I really love the feeling of it. It dries down very cooling, very gentle on the skin. It's just amazing. Then I'm gonna go in with my holy grail moisturizer for nighttime. It's the Belif Aqua Balm moisturizer. I don't know if you've tried this, but you all know this is amazing hydration goodness here. If I could bathe in this moisturizer every single day, I would. Like, honestly, it feels so freaking hydrating in the most like greaseless way possible. You know, there's those hydrators that are greasy. Well, no, not this. This is so smooth. It feels cooling. It's like a gel, and the next day you wake up with your face feeling like so smooth. Obsessed. So the last item that I'm gonna add to my face is a balancing facial oil. I'm gonna be using the Lapis one. The other one, the Biossance, ran out, so I'm using this one, and this is just gonna provide an extra little touch of like a little gleaming hydration, just an extra. You don't have to do this. I don't even know why I do this. I just like the feeling of like a facial oil, like setting everything. So anyways, my next step and the last step is the eye cream. So I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream. The moment you put this on, it melts and brightens your under eye in such a beautiful way. I love this eye cream. It's my only eye cream, so it's the one I'm using, and I will keep using it until it completely runs out. And I am also adding it there on my little crow's feet area just to prevent those little crow feet from coming in. Next, I'm going to go in with the lip scrub. I'm just going to be using this Wet n Wild watermelon one. And I'm going to go in and scrub all that crepiness and all that skin weirdness. Just scrub it all out. And my last step, finally, is the lip mask. This one's the rose one from Milani, and it's really nice and hydrating. Mind you, you put it on, you cannot kiss anyone or anything. Make sure you just sleep on it, and you will wake up the next day with some juicy, hydrated lips. We're done, guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe either. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.